Delhi Sultanate. Why was the Khilji's court as multi-ethnical background of Persian, Indian, Arab and Turkish origin? Because they adopted the Khorassanian urban culture, because they adopted the Turkish urban culture, because they adopted the Iranian urban culture, because they adopted the policy of Sulh Kul. The right answer is because they adopted the Khorassanian urban culture. Who was the founder of Khilji dynasty? Malik Kafur, Jalaluddin Khilji, Alauddin Khilji, both B and C. The right answer is Jalaluddin Khilji. Who among the following Khilji Sultan made Kilokhari as his capital? Alauddin Khilji, Jalaluddin Khilji, Mubarak Khan, Khusro Khan. Right answer is Jalaluddin Khilji. Who introduced the policy of Dag and Chehra in military? Khusro Khan, Jalaluddin Khilji, Mubarak Khan, Alauddin Khilji. The right answer is Alauddin Khilji. Which Sultan fixed the land revenue at half of the produce on the basis of Pimash in the Doab? Khusro Malik, Jalaluddin Khilji, Muhammad bin Bakhtiyar Khilji, Alauddin Khilji. The right answer is Alauddin Khilji. Which of the following title was referred to as Zamindars by Amir Khusro for the first time? Khuj, Diwan-e Mustagraj, Karwanis, all of the above. The right answer is Khuj. Who controlled markets under Alauddin Khilji reign? Karwanis, Sar-e-Adal, Daftar, Diwan-e Riyasat. The right answer is Diwan-e Riyasat. Which was the first Sultan who did not ask for Mansur from the Caliph but called himself the deputy of the Caliph? Khusro Malik, Alauddin Khilji, Muhammad bin Bakhtiyar Khilji, Malik Kafur. The right answer is Alauddin Khilji. Which Sultan died from the collapse of wooden pavilion in 1325? Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Firoz Shah Tughlaq, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq II. The right answer is Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. What was the real name of Muhammad bin Tughlaq? Mir Imart, Jona Khan, Ghiyasuddin Bahadur, Ghazi Malik. The right answer is Jona Khan. Who among the following seek permission to rebuild Buddhist monasteries which were destroyed during the Karachi expedition? Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, Firoz Shah Tughlaq, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Muhammad Shah Tughlaq. The right answer is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Which of the following sultans sent Ibn Battuta to the court of Chinese emperor in 1347? Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, Firoz Shah Tughlaq, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Muhammad Shah Tughlaq. The right answer is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Which of the following sultan of Delhi Sultanate make Iqtidari system hereditary? Muhammad Shah Tughlaq, Firoz Shah Tughlaq, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. The right answer is Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Which sultan established 4 new towns, Firozabad, Fatehbad, Hisar and Jaunpur? Muhammad Shah Tughlaq, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. The right answer is Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Which was the founder of the Sayyid dynasty? Mubarak Shah, Khizr Khan, Alam Shah, Muhammad Shah. The right answer is Khizr Khan. Which Sultan got Khutbah read in his name and issued his own coin? Mubarak Shah, Khizr Khan, Alam Shah, Nasiruddin Mahmud. The right answer is Mubarak Shah. Which of the following dynasty is the descendant of the Prophet Muhammad? Khilji dynasty, Lodi dynasty, Sayyid dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty. The right answer is Sayyid dynasty. Tajul Mulk was the royal minister of which Sultan? Mubarak Shah, Khizr Khan, Alauddin Shah, Muhammad Shah. The right answer is Khizr Khan. Who among the son of Khizr Khan? Mubarak Shah, Alam Shah, Alauddin Shah, Muhammad Shah. The right answer is Mubarak Shah. Who became the ruler after Temur invention and the fall of Tughlaq dynasty? Mubarak Shah, Khizr Khan, Alam Shah, Muhammad Shah. The right answer is Khizr Khan. Who was the founder of Lodi dynasty? Bahlol Lodi, Sikandar Lodi, Ibrahim Lodi, Dilawar Lodi. The right answer is Bahlol Lodi. Who was the founder of Agra city? Bahlol Lodi, Sikandar Lodi, Ibrahim Lodi, Dilawar Lodi. The right answer is Sikandar Lodi. Who was the only Sultan of India had been killed on the battlefield? Bahlol Lodi, Sikandar Lodi, Ibrahim Lodi, Dilawar Lodi. The right answer is Ibrahim Lodi. Which Sultan broke the sacred images of the Jwalamukhi temple at Nagarkot and ordered to destroy the temples of Mathura? Bahlol Lodi, Sikandar Lodi, Ibrahim Lodi, Dilawar Lodi. The right answer is Sikandar Lodi. Which of the following battle marked the beginning of Mughal rule in India? First Battle of Panipat, Battle of Khanwa, First Battle of Tarain, all of the above. The right answer is First Battle of Panipat. If you like this video, then hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.